Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to add zencoding in your notepad++ editor. At first, open your notepad++ editor. Okay, then click on the plugins and then click on the plugins admin. You can see the search bar here. Just I am typing JN for JN notepad++ plugin. Just click on the checkbox and then click on the install and then click on the yes. Okay, you can see that zencoding is downloading. Okay, my notepad++ editor is open again, and you can see that lots of menu included in my notepad++ editor. Now this is the time to check it is working or not. So I can write a first HTML code, just typing HTML:5 and press the Ctrl+E. Yeah, this is the magic of zencoding. I'm just here typing another tag, just typing P and press the Ctrl+E, then paragraph tag has been opened. Now typing just image, this one tag. Yeah, that's the magic of using zencoding in your notepad++ or any other editor. It will save your time. So thanks for watching.